Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add polynomial expression equation in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to add polynomial expansion equation. Go to the insert menu, click the equation drop down menu and go to the more equation from office.com. Then find the polynomial expansion equation. Here the polynomial expansion. Now we insert it to click. Then we can see we added the equation very easily. Now we want to edit the equation, click the equation box and go to the design menu. Then added the fraction or script, radical, integral, large operation, etc. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.